If you're watching this, I know it's likely that you have had your children removed from your home by Child Protective Services. And if that's the case, you're likely heartbroken and angry. Your world has changed and it is spinning out of your control. If that's where you are, know that you are not alone. For better or worse, many people have been in your situation before, and countless others are going through this with you right now. You can get your children back, and you can recover from the situation. My name is Candace Jones, and I'm the attorney next door. I've been practicing since 2011, and I want to share with you 5 actions you can take to get your child out of foster care. Number 1, participate in court-ordered programs, or if nothing has been ordered, talk to your attorney about how to be proactive. Some examples of programs are parenting classes and individual counseling, depending on your case. The law in this area is all about risk, and the number one way to decrease any perceived risk is through education and self-awareness that you can get from attending the relevant programs. Once the risk has been decreased, the arguments are strong for the child to come home. Number 2, to prove that the risk has decreased or doesn't exist anymore, you should be able to talk about what you've learned in the programs or counseling. So look for ways to implement what you have learned in the way you interact with your kids on your visits and write them down so you can bring this up to your worker or the attorney the next time you have a chance to meet with them. Number 3, find a relative or friend who is available to take your child into their home or who can go with you to visit your child as a monitor. This will increase your ability to visit with your child more often. Number 4, do your best to build a positive professional relationship with the social worker. I've heard hundreds of stories. All I can say is do your best. Don't get into a tit for tat with the worker if you don't feel like things are going well, because 2 wrongs do not make a right. Talk to your attorney about ways to handle an unproductive relationship with the worker. Number 5, regularly provide updates to your attorney and the social worker regarding your progress in the programs. A good rule of thumb is to provide a letter every 3 months or 3 weeks prior to your court date. And as a final note, be gentle with yourself. And remember, you can do this. It's a marathon, but you can win. Don't give up.